let's have a look at these Royal Imperial dessert or salad plates. They are 8-inch diameter, so larger than what we'd class as a side or tea plate. They made these in a variety of sizes, right the way up to dinner plates. Let's just have a look at one of these in detail. Beautiful pink rose pattern, nicely spread across these dessert plates. The smaller plates just have one of these double blossoms and then one of the rosebuds, but once you get to the 8-inch versions, then you've got twin large blocks of the transfer design. Plain rims, quite a narrow moulding elevation with quite deep rims on these. Royal Imperial black crown china marks, there we go. Date these to mid-1960s, 1956 to around end of 1960s really. Royal Imperial, not a factory but a brand, coming out of the Albion Road potteries operated by Duchess China, and the pattern was also reproduced under the Duchess brand. So you may well find very similar, almost identical looking plates. Do check the measurements and the moulding elevations, because what we found when we've compared the two is although the transfer blocks are identical, the moulding shapes are different and the sizes are different. So they mix and match, but they're not identical. And in a stack, if you're replacing a Royal Imperial saucer, say, with a Duchess saucer, they'll look very, very different when they're stacked and in use. So just be aware of that. But that's the provenance of these. We've got a stack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. There was a 6, but it had an under-rimmed chip, so we'll not be selling that. These are all in very fine condition. The gilt's really nice and bright. The glaze absolutely perfect, and the transfer no wear on it at all. So you can buy with confidence that these are in the very finest, best condition you're going to find. So Royal Imperial pink rosebud pattern. It's unnamed. They didn't assign a number or name during the period of production. So we've just described it poetically really as pink rosebud, and they're available for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link from YouTube in the description, it will take you directly to the listing for these dessert plates. Do have a browse through on our Royal Imperial as a search term catalogue. Pull up all the corresponding pieces that you may be interested in purchasing. Thanks for watching.